What's going on, guys? I want to say what's up. This is Corey from TZ Nation 87. Today what I wanted to do is I wanted to change there's a valve cover gasket that I got to do, and also there's a PCV valve that I got to do in the V6 Mustang. First, before I get to that, let me just show you some things that I did. All right, I'm going to just do a little theatrical video. Watch. That's right, guys. I did that. It looks so much better like that. Had blacked out gas lid, and the strip that I was talking to you about looks so much better. Like I said, I'm not trying to be like everybody else, but when you actually do it, it looks so much better. And not to mention the lettering. I gotta fix it. Don't worry. This is here, so I can't. It's Honda. But trying to get a good view. I can't get a good view of everything, but that's it. So now we're going to do the PCV valve, but doing that, I like that. Or, oh, it is unlocked. I would say go to open the door. And it's locked. Get down here real quick. Pull this hood up. Oh, I'm so out of it. Yeah. Sucks. This is just V6. It looks like I'm gonna have to go to the store and get a new throttle body. Like throttle body gaskets for there, because I have to do valve cover gaskets too, and I seen it somewhere where I have to take all, well, this is self-explanatory, but I have to take this off in order to access that, because pulling it out, it's not going to happen. So right now I'm going to check on the PCV valve. Oh, I can't wait. Terminator Cobra. I can definitely picture it now. Coming, not yet. Beat a car, work, better job, apartment. Then. It's crazy that this little guy here can cause so much damage. So, put that guy right here. And check to see. To get it off. It's over there sitting, chilling. Look at him. Look at him.
What? Got the school.
Watch that big guy. What you looking at? Huh? Want to say hi to the vlog?
I don't think Dad likes having me around anymore.
Yeah.
Oh, now why would you say
that?
Because I woke up this morning.
I wasn't filming this, so I can't go that way. I forgot I gotta go the other way. Go under and over and under and over. Very annoying. Pep Boys gave me the wrong. I think they gave me the wrong PCB, because if you look at this, you look at this, you look at that. Looks two differently, completely sizes. So I can't do that today, and I can't do the other one today, and I can't start up the car today. Well, gets quick revs, quick V6 racer revs for you. I'll put the old one back in. Right, this is my birthday. This is my birthday. It's like I don't give a fuck what you are. You're not getting nothing good on your birthday. 717. I put the old one back in, and I took this one off. because I gotta go back to Pep Boys and let them know that this is the wrong one. There we go. For some reason, it seems like it wants to be really hot today. So let me grab this, open this up, put it in there, close it. Be like that little racer sound clip of the day. So this is just about the only thing that I've actually done today was the strip and the thing. Try to do everything that I could to get done, but it looked like it's not going to happen. Have the tools there, but it doesn't look like it's going to happen. Mustang. Mustang. Honda. I definitely love that. I definitely love the color. I definitely love everything that's there. I definitely, I think I'm gonna get a new speaker in time. I think there was a system here, because I don't know. Comment down below. I don't know what that is. What does it look like to you? Because I don't even know. It looks like some sort of crossover or something. I'm gonna need some more stickers. Support my boy, Hammer Down Motorsports. Make sure you subscribe, like, and give them a follow. We didn't get done as much as what I wanted to get done today. Sorry that there's not enough content for you guys. That's a neighbor. Sorry that there's not content for you guys to actually show. Yeah, sorry that there's no content really to show because I gotta go to the store. Stop for the iroc-z, but I wanted to let you guys know that it's in the shop. I'm sorry that I thought that it would be, you know, out by now, and every time I turn around, I'm saying that I'm constantly telling you guys that it's in the shop, constantly telling you guys that it's coming out, it's coming out, it's coming out. I don't know why I'm on the waiting list for so long, but that's just, I guess, the way how the cookie crumbles, I guess. It is hot for some reason. It is hot as balls out. So, if you are stopping for the first time, please like, subscribe, comment down below. If you want to get a notification whenever our video comes up, please hit that notification bell. iroc-z Nation, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter. It still says iroc-z Nation. Still gotta fix that. But I love that. I gotta fix the lettering, but I love that with the black strip. That looks so good. That definitely looks so good. Neighbors. Yeah, people's putting stuff down. But like I said, if you like the content of this video, you gotta give it a big thumbs up. I love that. I love that. I definitely love that. But you know, it's not for the first time. I already said it already. So if you like the content of the video, make sure you give this a big thumbs up. Take care and have a great day. The shit that you see. Man walks in the middle of the road. Hold on. Why you get stopped on the side of the road when he was clearly walking on the side of the road.